I'm Mauro Piccoli, Brembo Racing Director. The racing business unit in Brembo is the business unit that is in charge, obviously, of racing product, but also of the high performance product. And it's why we are here to present the new family of products for high performance kits. We unveiled the new BM8 caliper as well as the BM4. This is the new family of caliper that we are introducing in the market starting from next year. BM8 is a caliper designed for SUV light tracks and is specifically designed to this car that are increasing the towing capacity as well as the horsepower. So we need to develop higher torque under braking. This caliper is an 8-piston 4-ped and can provide 5,000 Newton meters of brake torque. The companion caliper for the rear is the BM4. That is a 4-piston and is specifically designed for the rear of that car, as well as for light application on light sedans and small cars. BM8 and BM4 had been developed using a new process developed by Brembo that is called the 4D casting technology, that allowed us to have similar characteristics to the caliper developed from machine from billets or from forgings, and allowed us to have this very sexy and new shape on the caliper, as well as to integrate the fluid path inside of the caliper with a single bleeding point that increases the safety and the reliability of the product. This kind of solution is something that has been developed by Brembo in the racing field. We actually use on GT and rally cars, and we are introducing for the first time on original equipment, I would say high performance application. The design of the caliper is unique, as well as the possibility of taking the logo from the racing stuff and put it on the new family of products. The new caliper has been awarded by SEMA with the Best Engineered Product Award, and I think this is the witness of all the good job we did developing this new product. Performance is always on the top priority of Brembo. So the caliper body has been optimized to have the best ratio between stiffness and weight, but as well as the style is always one of the top priority of Brembo. That's why we have designed this new caliper in order to also distinguish the brakes inside of the wheel, give a clear identity to the car where it's going to be fit, and move also the level of our product to not just the best performance, but also to the best look and the best style on the car. They are more monoblock caliper. The reason for that is that without having the screw that are connecting the two elbows of the caliper is resulting stiffer and lighter. And this is the key point of a monoblock caliper. The number of pistons is led by the torque we have to generate on the car. In this case, we have decided for 8-piston 4-ped, because in this way we can distribute better the pressure on the back of the ped, as well as generate a smooth torque on the disc. Obviously, you can think that the more is better, so the higher number of pistons is better. It's not always in this way. We try to design the caliper accordingly to the application and to the performance we want to achieve on the car, and with a better integration between the work on the disc, on the pads, and on the caliper itself. The new caliper will be on sale starting from beginning of 2016. January 16, the BM8, early spring for the BM4, and the new calipers will be available on standard colors in red, in white. The white is the first time we release this color on the high performance parts. We have as well yellow and black, but we will also have a range of optional colors that will be available to the market. We are still deciding which are the colors that we want to introduce for next year, but will be something that you will shortly see on our website and our publications.